Hi everyone. Okay, so for the second example of projected statements of income or income statements, we're going to look at Eastman Technologies, and this is directly from your textbook on page 291. Okay, so again, we're going to look at percentages of increase compared to revenue, so from year to year, and I referred to that in the previous video as your horizontal analysis as opposed to what we have been doing, which is your vertical analysis. Okay, so for your horizontal analysis for revenue, what was the increase of revenue from last year? So you do your 3,050,000 minus your 2.5 million from last year. Oops, somehow okay. And that is going to give you an increase of 550,000. And then you divide your 550,000 divided by your 2.5 million. Okay. And if you take your, I'm just grabbing my calculator, so you've got your 550,000 divided by your 2.5 million, and it is showing 0.22. So that is a 22% increase this year, 2014, over last year, 2013. Okay. And you can do the same for the cost of sales. If you do your 2,050,000 minus your 1.9 million, that means that your cost of sales has increased 150,000. If you divide that 150,000 divided by your 1.9 million, then you have that is an increase of 7.9%. So that's your horizontal. How much is your cost of sales increased? However, if you want to do your vertical analysis, so last year in 2013, okay, we've all done our vertical analysis several times. So your 1.9 million divided by sales, which is 2.5. So last year, cost of sales was 76% of sales. So your 1.9 million divided by your 2.5 million, vertical analysis like we've been doing. And then now this year, our 2,050,000 divided by 3,050,000. So our vertical analysis for this year is 67%. It's gone down compared to sales. Okay, so that's what we're doing here, okay? Everything compared to our revenue in our vertical analysis and also looking at 1 year compared to the last year and how much it has increased. Okay, and again, we also have from our textbook, we have our statement of financial position. We're not going to get into this in this chapter. We're going to stick to looking at our income statement and the different changes that are occurring 1 year compared to the next and compared to sales overall. So our vertical analysis and our horizontal analysis. Okay, so now at this point, I'm going to do an introduction to, sorry, I've got to get to the page, to exercise 2, statement of income and return on revenue.